In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable local delivery in Shopify. Local delivery is a great way to offer faster and often cheaper shipping options to customers who live close to your business. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the settings in your Shopify admin, how to turn local delivery on for a specific location, and how to configure the pricing and rules so they make sense for your store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main control center, where you manage products, orders, and all your store settings. Once you're on the dashboard homepage, look towards the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all the configuration options for your store. Inside the settings page, find and click on Shipping and Delivery. This section controls how your orders are sent to customers, including standard shipping, local delivery, and local pickup. On the Shipping and Delivery page, look for the Local Delivery section. Next to it, you'll see an option to Set Up. Click on Set Up to start configuring local delivery for your store. You'll now see a list of your locations under a heading like Your Locations. These are the physical places from which you fulfill orders. Click on the specific location you want to enable local delivery from. This is important because local delivery is configured per location. On the location page, find the toggle that controls the location status for local delivery, usually described as delivering orders directly from this location. Click the toggle to turn it on. This tells Shopify that this location can deliver orders to customers nearby. Next, you need to define where you deliver to. Click on Add Zone. A zone is simply a defined area around your location that you'll offer local delivery to. Click into the zone name field and give it a clear name, like City Center Delivery or 10K radius, so you can easily recognize it later. Now, type in the delivery radius. This is the maximum distance from your location that you're willing to deliver to. Choose a radius that matches what you can realistically cover, considering your delivery method and costs. Below that, click into the minimum order price field and enter the minimum order value customers must reach to qualify for local delivery. This helps ensure that deliveries are cost-effective for your business. Then, click into the delivery price field and set the fee you'll charge for local delivery. You can make this a flat rate, or keep it low if you want to encourage customers to choose this option. If you'd like more advanced pricing options, click on Add Conditional Pricing. This allows you to set different delivery prices based on order value or other conditions, such as offering free delivery over a certain amount. Use this if you want to reward larger orders or fine-tune your delivery fees. You'll also see a delivery information field. Click into this area to add any important details you want customers to see at checkout. This could include typical delivery times, days you deliver, cutoff times for same-day delivery, or any special instructions they should know before choosing this option. Clear information here helps reduce confusion and support requests later. Once you're happy with all your settings, scroll down and click Save. This step is crucial. If you don't save, none of your changes will be applied. After saving, your local delivery option will be available at checkout for customers who fall within the zone and meet the criteria you just set up. You can always come back to this page to adjust your radius, pricing, or information as your business grows and your delivery capacity changes. And that's how to enable local delivery in Shopify from start to finish.